Hello everyone and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products. In today's video, we will be comparing two air fryers that claim to be healthier alternatives to deep frying. We'll be putting the Tasta Crisp air fryer against the Gourmia air fryer oven to see which one comes out on top. So let's get started. Don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest reviews. Both the Tasta Crisp and the Gourmia air fryer oven used advanced technology to fry food using little to no oil. But with up to 90% fat removal, the Gourmia air fryer oven claims to be the healthiest way to fry your food. So, for healthier frying, the point goes to Gourmia air fryer oven. Both air fryers are easy to use with a short learning curve. However, Tasta Crisp air fryer has a timer and temperature control that makes it easier to set the right amount of cook time for each meal. Therefore, Gourmia air fryer oven loses in quick and easy category to Tasta Crisp air fryer. Both air fryers have an auto shut-off function, which is a great safety feature. However, Tasta Crisp has a cool touch handle that reduces the risk of burns while handling the food. For safety, the point goes to Tasta Crisp air fryer. The Tasta Crisp air fryer has a redesigned crisper basket that allows for greater surface area inside the air fryer, so food gets more crispy, faster. Therefore, it is particularly useful for cooking frozen treats like chicken nuggets, fish sticks, and other snacks, making it a compact air fryer families will love. Whereas with its 12 one-touch digital presets, Gourmia air fryer oven can perform 12 different cooking tasks including baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, toasting, reheating, and keeping warm. Therefore, for versatility, the point goes to Gourmia air fryer oven. That brings us to the end of our video. We hope it helped you decide which air fryer is best for your needs. To summarize, Gourmia air fryer oven wins in healthier frying and versatility, but Tasta Crisp air fryer wins in quick and easy and safety. Let us know in the comments which one you liked more. Don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thank you for watching.